My name is Rocco Malarbi. I graduated from the Penn Commercial Welding program December 2018. Right now I currently work at Job Fab Incorporated in Washington. What drew me to the career field of welding was I'd always been interested in fabrication through like the automotive side of things whenever I was younger. Got into cars at a young age, and then I had the opportunity to work on the gas wells around 22, I'd say. Got in with a pipeliner and learned from him, and then just decided that what I was doing wasn't for me. So I made the choice to come to Penn Commercial and take the tests. That way I could pass and get a decent job in this career field. Specifically about welding, what I enjoy is I kind of look at it like an art form. There's something about taking two things or taking nothing and putting a bunch of pieces together and making something from it. I chose Penn Commercial primarily because it was close to home, and then also with the welding program, they offer the D11 tests and then the ASME Section 9 and the API 1104, which the two pipe tests that I was looking to pass. So when I saw that they offered those here, that was a big reason as to why I also chose Penn Commercial. Some of the things that I learned while I was in school here at the welding program were basic welding techniques. We got into some advanced stuff whenever I got the majority of my work done. Cutting lathes, how to use a cutting lathe, oxyacetylene welding, which I'd never done before, machine setup, heat ranges, blueprint reading, mathematics, back purge volume. There was quite a few things that we got into in the book and in the classroom that I really enjoyed. All the instructors, Mr. Stevens, Mr. Dean, Mr. Everly, they were all really hands-on, which really helped. So I think that really pushed us through the program and showed us what we needed to learn. Be more at Penn Commercial. I'm trashing you on camera right now.